light's not working, this is how you replace it. Go in here and undo this screw with a screwdriver. Now put your fingers in back here, pry this down, pop it off. Just like that. Next, just pop these little tabs. Just like this. Once it comes down, disconnect this. This is what it's going to look like after you disconnect. Just push this little tab down and it'll raise it. It's easy. Just got a new one here. Purchased it online. Cost me about, I think, $8 in Canada. All right, so I got the piece here. Here's the new one. There's a little tiny tab on this side. That's gonna go over here and it's gonna clip in. Wow, look at that. Brand new, nice and bright. Take the back side, put it up in through those tabs, right in these little tabs, just above them. And if you see, there's like a little space so they fit properly. There, now it's nicely adjusted. Now, just gonna put the cover back on. All right, here's the cover. We have tabs right here on this side. They're gonna slide in. Now that they're slid in, gently pop it in, just like that. The only thing that's missing now is putting this screw back. Not even sure it's absolutely necessary.